Thukuru-inĩ wa mũthingi wa Lenkai mwena wa Kimana kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado, aikari meyumĩrĩtie kwa wũingĩ kwamũkĩra irio kuma kũrĩ andũ a wendi mwega. Kajiado nĩ ĩmwe ya kaunti iria iraura, no aikari no mahatĩrĩirio nĩ marũrũ ma ng'aragu nĩ tondũ gũtikoretwo gũkiura kwa ihinda iraya.
Wengine watoto wanachota maji, wanarokota kuni, hakuna kitu ya kupika.
Hata kama mvua inyeshe namna gani, hatutaweza kupata chakula kwa leo. Kwa hiyo bado tungeomba kama kunaendelea kuwa na msaada, basi tuendelee kupata msaada ili tufikie wakati wa mavuno.
Nyingĩ cia famĩlĩ gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ ikoretwo ikĩhoka ikundi cia wendi mwega ona ũteithio wa irio kuma kũrĩ thirikari, kuona mahiũ marĩa aingĩ ao mehokaga nĩ makuĩte nĩ ũndũ wa ng'aragu.
What we are doing will give the families a bit of relief for the next few weeks. And possibly a good Christmas. At least they can celebrate in peace without worrying about where they're going to get their food from.
Hunger, and there's a lot of people that are still in need, and we're so grateful for all those who have partnered with us to make a difference in this area.
Any other person there who can be able to support in terms of providing food for people in this area and across the country. It's really a big opportunity that can be able to change a lot of lives.
Gũkorwo gĩcigo gĩkĩ kĩa Loitoktok andũ nĩ makoretwo magĩkĩrĩra ũrĩmi-inĩ, ihoya kũrĩ thirikari nĩ mateithĩrĩrie na mathomo ma ũrĩmi wa kĩrĩu ũrĩa ũngĩmateithĩrĩria harĩ kũhũrana na ng'aragu.
Kuhimiza serikali waweze kuweka mkazo sana kwa agriculture, kwa sababu hiyo tu itatuokoa, na pia climate change, watu wapande miti.
The droughts are becoming more and more frequent due to global warming. The government and the local administration to look at long-term solutions for food security.
Na ikiwa community ikisaidiwa kuweza kuharvest water na kutengeneza irrigation schemes, ndio tunaweza kuinua hali ya production katika hali sehemu yetu. Itabidi sasa watu wetu pia watuwahimize kubadili hali ya maisha ili kuweza kukabiliana na changamoto ambazo zinatokana na hii kubadilika kwa hali ya anga.
Gerifo Tera Inoro TV retore kwa ni wa Boi wa Masharia.